Khalid, wake up. Khalid, wake up.
It's too early. I don't want to wake up.
You have work to do. Wake up.
You know, I wish I had one day where you didn't bother me.
You wouldn't survive a day without me.
You know what? I think I would.
Then wish for it. Go ahead.
I wish I had a day alone. Oh, that was a good nap. Salama? 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 Where are you? It came true. I'm living alone. I'm living alone. I'm living alone.
I'm living alone.
First things first, now that I'm living alone, I'm gonna cook up everything and anything I want. You're gonna see the most magnificent meal. I'm gonna cook everything that I've always dreamed of. Let's go. I need some basil, and here we go. And we need some spices. What to cook, what to make. Hey, do you think she'll... Anyway, got the TV all to myself. All right, where are those car keys? Right, you can do this, Khalid. You can do this. They're only car keys. They're only car keys. She always knows where my car keys are, though, but I'm fine. It was just so much easier when I was like, hey, Salama, where's the car keys? And then, hey, there they are. No. I know. Where are the car keys?
Khalid, check your pocket.
NANI?!
Salama, the internet...
I told you to pay your bills.
I need some washing detergent. Should be easy. There's so many. I can't do this.
What's going on?
I missed you so much. Don't ever leave me.
I've been gone for an hour. Are you okay?
Yeah. Come, let's sit. Oh, that was... Whew. It's good to have you home. Yeah, really good. We're home. In this house. The thing that I've learned through marriage is the connection that you build with that person that you love. And that it's not always about the things that they do for you, or how easy or hard they make your life. But it's who you become when they're around. The energy they bring to your life every single day and every single moment that you're together. And I think when you find that person, that is what makes a house a home. And it's never the same without them. Much love, and God bless you.